Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the dinner yesterday in the evening and you are fit for the day today, for the big day, the Launch Europe anniversary event. And on behalf of our general managers, Mr. Eric Schuh and Mr. Frank Tan.
Welcome to our Launch Europe 20 years anniversary event. Today, Launch has over 1 million workshop customers. We target to achieve another 1 million customers within 3 to 5 years. I'm full of confidence with Launch because we are facing the future.
But now that we are also making very significant progress, like in Europe and the USA and in some other countries. So I believe that is in a very short time, I think that we will get more requests in overseas. So this is the commitment of the Launch, and we will continue that is to do like that.
Innovation, technology, premium product, and also building up a very close relation and with our dealers. Never change a winning horse. Something good, we will continue. Go beyond means we think out of the box and to create and change for better. So this is our philosophy for the future.
By the headquarters, lighthouse, guide us and beside us with this very strong ray of X431. So this ship is going further with this contest of innovation, customer and employee satisfaction, and long term, spreading some certainty in the sea of onset.
I'm very grateful to our team for all their efforts transforming together our organization into a service-driven organization. For them, now it's very difficult for you to stop me while I'm standing here.
They had something like 300 branches. We supplied them some demonstration units, and suddenly the X431 was on everyone's lips. And we were shipping out, I don't know, 100 a week at one point.
I want to thank the whole Launch Europe colleague. We found a very good team. And I want, finally, but not for finally, to thank my colleague in Italy and my dealer in Italy, because without you, this success is not possible.
Being complete solutions that Launch Europe can sell through you and through your deal customers, or even to offer a complete customized diagnostic solution. An insight in what we are working with right now in deep cooperation with our product team.
We have a lot more transparency. For the dealers, you can see all issues which you have with your devices you sold. The demands are minimized because of our FAQs, download centers and videos. You can solve small problems directly.
Our end goal was to give you transparency and overview about every information that you need. So we work with real data, real livestock, real pricing, your own pricing, so you will only see your negotiated terms, and the webshop will be available on all devices.
We are pushing, or my team is pushing, to have more and more digital products, to have a big advantage and to work on these digital solutions. And again, the security gateway plan, because this is an important topic and also a trouble topic, I think, for a lot of customers.
Dennis, Germany.
Michael from Northern Europe.
Goose from Western Europe.
Already know, many people know Leshka.
Introduce myself, I think.
Manuela, Romania.
Bojan, Balkans.
Bravo!